how to grow passion fruit from seed. The first thing you do is cut the passion fruit in half, and you want to wait until it's wrinkled. And this is the inside of the passion fruit. Next, we're going to clean the passion fruit seeds. We're going to put it into a strainer. Squeeze out all the seeds. You're going to rinse them. Great juice to give the chickens lots of nutrients, vitamins. Just want to rinse most of the flesh off. Oh no. Okay, look at these. You got most of the flesh off? All right. So now we're getting ready to put the seeds in the little pots. Just make an indentation one side. Grab some seeds, 5 to 10 in each side. Okay, and cover up the one side and make an indentation in the other side. Get all the seeds in. Make sure they're covered with soil and growing medium. Okay, and cover them up good. Make sure none of the seeds can be seen. Okay. And then you put some water in. You can leave the pots in a southern facing window that gets lots of sun, or you can leave them outside in a sunny spot. But if you leave the seeds outside, make sure you have drainage holes. Just spread them out. These are some of our passion fruit seedlings 2 weeks later. These passion fruit seedlings are about 5 months old. They are from one of our own homegrown passion fruits. This passion fruit vine is about 3 to 4 years old, and it has been giving us passion fruit for 2 to 3 years, at least 3 seasons. You can see how it's growing on our fence. This is just a small plastic fence that used to keep our chickens out of the garden, but they will take over, so make sure to grow it on a large trellis or a fence. We especially recommend a chain link fence. Here you can see how it's growing up our back steps that we don't use, and if you're not careful, it will take over and grow up to your roof. We planted these titonias to give you a shade, and the passion fruit vines are actually growing up as far as they can. So make sure you have something that your passion fruit vines can grow on, because they will grow 4, 5, 6 yards if they have something to grow on, and then they will produce again and again. We cut back cold damaged vines in the late winter, around January, February, when we feel that we don't have any more frost in the forecast. You can see a dead vine that's been left here. But it doesn't matter how far down we cut it, it comes back every year. We built a couple of these trellises for passion fruit vines at the east side of our house, but these passion fruits are not doing as well as the passion fruit at the south side of our house, which gets more sun. So the more sun your passion fruit vine gets, the bigger it grows. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and visit us at dancingtreetops.com.